Opel Kadett, Tom. Oh, Ascona. So did it advertise this way or no? No, it's just put a shorts on. Oh, is it got an RS 200?
Lancia
Stratos. Oh, look at that, Tom, that is a car, isn't it?
It goes very wide on this.
Way! That's why I didn't go fast, Tom.
Right.
It's worth $500,000. Oh!
Renault 5, is it?
Renault 5, or is it an MG, the Mini, what's it called? Who does them?
I don't know.
So you won't mention it?
No, let's not mention it. I think we've chosen the best spot here, I think we have, haven't we?
It's going to get mentioned more than your passport saga last year, I think.
I think that's past now. Passport. Another one? Is that another Renault 5?
Zombie. Top man.
Yo le eché la foto. ¿Cómo miraba al público? Diciendo,
Let's go.
I haven't seen it, Gabby, yet.
No.
Oh, no. Renault 5. Renault, yeah. Renault 19, isn't it?
Por allí viene otro, chicos. Mira cómo...
Spinning away, can't you?
Big Merc.
That was on last year, wasn't it? Nice!
Grande, ha hecho muy bien.
Yeah. Gary, I'm missing your head. Another Merc? 190.
Another Gordini.
Rear-wheel drive. Oh, he's trying, isn't he?
Lancia.
Beamer, is it this? No.
Lancia, is
That's
it?
it. In the martini colours.
Ahora sí me la pillaron
Yeah, so whatever you're saying is going on there.
Means I don't have to.
Se ven bien, Se está haciendo
Renault 5.
Este valentillo,
That was probably fastest at lot there, wasn't
What's it? Subaru.
it? Gretzer.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, wow. Off of that one.
Brilliant.
Cosy.
It's like a commentary this for you, isn't it? It's
Yeah.
like cars.
En Barcelona no sonaba tanto,
I think you might have a problem with fuel.
Yeah, yeah.
Acabamos con el timbal.